To hide the food, they simply dig a slight hole, place the nut in this hole, and pat soil over it to hide it from birds. Squirrels remember the location of their nuts with landmarks. For example, they may have buried the nut under a certain tree, or next to a man-made structure. When looking for the nuts, when they are in the right place, near the right landmark, they look for disturbed soil and the nutty smell to find the nut. Any missed nuts will develop into new trees, helping the future generation, as the trees are the original food source.